Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to use navigation within your Power Apps application. So we're just going to go ahead and jump straight in and make this quick because there are a couple of different ways you can go about doing this. Now I've built this Power App from a template. I have another video that you can check out on my channel. I have a Power Apps playlist and you can see about using templates or building from scratch. But what we're going to do is we're just going to look at a default page. Now, every page is going to have different options. So for example, if we have this button here, you'll see when you expand the menu on select, which is the action we want to target, it's going to do all of these things. But we don't really need all of this. All we need is this part that I just cut. I will put this in the description, but basically what this is going to do, we'll paste this in and you'll see it says navigate, and then we have two conditions. First condition is where we're navigating to. The second condition is how or what that transition is going to look like on the screen. So you'll see here that meeting selection or meeting select screen is the title of this screen here. So an example is if I wanted to rename this screen to all of these letters, then I can. But once I go to my landing page and I select this button again, you'll see now the letters have changed because basically it's attached to that screen. Now, we have our screen transition cover here as well. So the idea is this text is the name of the window that you need to go to. If you have several screens here, you can start typing and you'll get a couple of different default options. But when you continue to type, typically you'll see the name of different screens that you can navigate to. So in this case, if I were to say, you know what, I want to go here, I'll type in the letters FD and you'll see that pops up. Now we can choose our screen transition. So the ScreenTransition.Cover, you'll see we have multiple screen transition options. So when you put the period, typically it gives you multiple choices here. Now I'll put a link to this page in the description, but this covers some functions for navigation. So you'll see .cover, .right, .fade, .none. So you can just kind of choose what you want that to be. So we'll choose cover for the default and we'll just hit preview and click play and you'll see how it slid across. Now, what we're going to do is we'll go back to our landing page and we'll try to change this transition to something else. So if we type period and then we put fade. If we click play and click this button, you'll see, although very brief, it fades in and out. So the idea here is really any option you choose. So for example, this element here, you can actually copy this. So if we were to copy all of this content and click on this element here, we would want to find over here the onSelect option, which is disabled or just set to false, and we'll paste this in. Now we could choose a different screen transition for this. For example, if we put uncover right. Now when we click here, when we select this, you'll see it slides over and we're in the new screen or new page. So what I will do is in the description, I'm going to put this here, but I'll just put the page name. So I'll copy this, put it in the description, and then I'll also put a link to this help site. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below, and I'll see you all in the next video.